with him. But in 2018, I learned from the community. I joke how sweet life is when you invite God into your life. But just when I thought everything was going on smoothly, life tested me again. This time with the death of my father. The loss left so devastating. It was like being crushed between heaven and earth. In Filipino, para akong pinagsakluban ng langit at lupa. Losing my beloved fathers brought my new struggle in my personal life, involving people I had considered family. It was like a skin prank soap opera. I hit rock bottom and felt like I was fighting the battle alone. Yet, I realized I was not only alone. God was there. I prayed and drew inspiration from small daily victories and the strength that can only come from my personal relationship with Him. His grace is what has brought me where I am today. I may not have material wealth, but my true riches come from my peace in my heart and mind. My life is now filled with opportunities and more blessings. I am grateful to the part of communities where I can give thanks, reciprocate the goodness God has shown, and continue living with strength and courage. I am also proud to stand before you today as an inspiration to everyone. And that when God is for you, who can be against you? Good day and everyone, and God bless us all.
Watching